Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do this really nice purple gold glam makeup. I really hope you're going to like it, and let's get started. I'm going to moisturize my skin first using Lancome Hydra Zen and adding few drops from this V7 Multi Glow Serum. It should give you luminescent and smooth skin. I am going to apply the POREfessional by Benefit to minimize of my pores. I'm concentrating mainly on my nose and chin area, and whatever is left on my hands, I'm applying it all over my face to smooth out my skin. For my eyelids, I'm going to use Urban Decay Primer. You need to apply only a small amount from this. I am going to apply the Rimmel Wake Me Up Concealer in Soft Beige using my Zoeva concealer brush. To set the concealer, I'm using my Yves Saint Laurent compact powder, applying it with my MAC powder brush. For transition shade, I'm going to use this light purple eyeshadow by Sisley called Phyto Ombre, applying it with my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. This brush came with the Soft Glam palette. After I am taking my Dior palette number 804 and using this darker purple for mainly the out of corner of my eyes. Blending it out with a Meshuggah brush. Then I am going to use this dark blue by Sisley called Navy. As we don't want any harsh line, I am blending it out with my Meshuggah brush. I'm using the same purple for my middle part of my eyelids and blending it out. I am applying Navy for the inner corner of my eyes using a detail brush from Real Technique. adding more from navy to the outer corner of my eyes until it's dark enough. I'm going to use my foundation brush to clean up any unwanted eyeshadow lines. After I am applying Amber Plum by Dior to my middle part of my eyes. This is a very nice shimmery eyeshadow. I'm going to take my flat brush from Zoeva and applying this beige pinky tone eyeshadow. It is going to open up my eyes. Then I am using this grey color from the same palette. I am applying navy for my lower lash line using my Zoeva Smoky Shader brush. Blending it out with my Meshuggah brush. Then I am using Dark Purple by Dior. Applying glitter primer from NYX using my foundation brush. I am going to press this gold glitter to my middle part of my eyelids. I also adding some to my middle part of my lower lash line and blending it out with my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. So now it's cleanup time. I'm taking my Nivea cleansing wipes. If you have any glitter or eyeshadow fallout, you can wipe them off. For my concealer, I'm going to mix Rimmel Wake Me Up with Tarte Shape Tape, applying it with my Real Technique base shadow brush. To save time, I did my eyebrows in off camera. I am applying this shimmery white underneath to my eyebrow using a flat brush. For foundation, I mixed Estee Lauder Youth Infusing Ivory Nude with Paris Berlin LFC4, applying it with a flat foundation brush and buff it into my skin using my Tarte brush. This is a very nice and soft brush. To blend around my eyebrows and hairline, I'm using a wet beauty blender. To set the concealer, I'm using my Yves Saint Laurent compact powder. Moving on to the blush, I'm using my Illamasqua cream blush called Rude, using my Sigma Kabuki brush. To complete the look, I highlighted my face using Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. For mascara, I am using Volume Reveal from Bonjour. For lashes, I am using my favorite eyelash brand by Ardell number 103. For my lips, I am going to use Perfect Spice from Too Faced.